Good morning. We're at 451 Lansing Street in Aurora, Colorado. Today's date is April 27th, 2026 at approximately 9:04 a.m. Today we are performing a sewer scope. The company performing this sewer scope is Daniel Sewer 77. We are located here at the main city tap connection, which is approximately 29 feet and 6 inches from the clean out to the front yard. Let's get started. As you can see, there's your main city tap. You have a good transition there. As you can see, the water's flowing downhill pretty good. Now let's check out the inside of the house. As you can see, spa repair's in good condition. I'm just trying to clean off the camera a little bit. That was some waste. That concludes the scope.